Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute cartoon ghost. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our little cartoon ghost, we're going to begin in the middle of the paper. And I have my cat Shadow up here who is trying to help, so if you hear a meow or some sort of chirp or see a lot of cat hair on here, that's the reason. Now to start off with our little cute ghost, we're going to begin right here on our paper. And what I'm going to do is I just want to make a little line that's just going to curve up. So I'm going to start right here and we're just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and it's going to come down like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come in, and then I'm going to slowly curve it out like this again. Next, I just want to draw this line all the way to here. So we're just going to connect this line to here with just a little point. See, it's kind of like a curved teardrop a little bit. Now, starting up here, we want to add the face. So right here, I'm going to make a small circle shape. We'll leave some space, and then I'll make another small circle shape right over here. I'll make a little circle at the top of each eye, and then we'll just color this in really quickly. And we'll color in this eye as well. Now, starting over here, we're just going to make the mouth, and there's lots of different ways you can make the mouth on here. I'm just going to keep it simple, and I'm just going to make a little line across with a little smiley face, and we'll just color this part in too. Then starting here for the arms, we'll just draw a little line that's just going to go down and then come out. And we'll do the same thing here, just a little line that's just going to go down and then come back. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little cute cartoon ghost. You can always add extra details, like you put boo or something up here, whatever you want to do. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.